Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I do fashion and lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that type of content, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you'll be notified when your girl uploads a new video. Because by this end let's run that back. By the end of this video, you'll see that I'll be your best friend in your head. We'll be good girlfriends, and you know it's gonna be a good time, girl. So just go ahead and join, become a BFF. Thanks. So I just wanted to pop in and give you guys an update on just what's been going on in my life because I've not been on here in a couple of weeks, months, something like that. So I just wanted to hop on and just let you guys know that your girl's still here. I just been busy. So one of the reasons why I haven't been on here is because I have been traveling. As you guys saw, I had my vendor event back in September, and that following weekend we went to Orlando. We rented this mansion. His brother rented this mansion for all of us to stay in. His sister, her family, our family, his parents, all of us were there, and it was really nice, super nice. So we did that, and then after that, the weekend after that, I went to Panama for a bachelorette weekend, and then like, not that next weekend, but that following weekend, we went to Vegas. So we've been doing some traveling, and then I've been putting a lot of my time and energy into that. So I just really haven't had the time to sit down and record a video or like even brainstorm a video to even record or anything like that, because like I said, I've been putting everything into my business and growing that. And at this point, it's like I have to put my energy into things that are making me money, and YouTube at this point is not making me any money, but I still enjoy doing it. So I am working diligently to get a schedule down to be able to make time to at least put out one video a week, because I really was contemplating if I even wanted to do YouTube anymore, but I just couldn't really let it go because I've been doing it for a while. Like, I've had a channel since 2010, and then I have this channel since 2012. So it's been a long time, and I just can't walk away from it like that, you know. So I'm making the schedule out to be able to at least put out one video a week. Like, I can at least do that. Like, okay girl, like the bare minimum. I don't want to totally abandon my channel. I feel like my channel does have a lot of potential if I buckle down and get a schedule and, you know, be consistent with my content. And speaking of content, I have also been trying to figure out what kind of content I want to create, because I am at a different, you know, point in my life than I was when I started this back in 2012. So I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do. If I want to do more mom content, or if I'm even going to still do fashion content on here, because I just feel like lookbooks, people don't really watch those like that anymore. Sorry, there's some like lint or something flying in front of me, but you know, people don't really watch shows like that on YouTube anymore. Like, that's more so on like TikTok or the Instagram reels. Like, I see more things like that, and I think that's the direction that I want to go. So I don't think I'm going to put lookbooks on here anymore, but I'll still talk about fashion, like style tips and stuff like that, and share any new merchandise that I get from my store, because you guys know I own an online store, shopnotyouraverage.com. So yeah. So I just been kind of, even though I've been busy, I still been thinking about YouTube and just figuring out what I want to do with it and stuff. So that's something else that's been keeping me away from YouTube. But yeah, I think that's it for the update. Like, nothing too crazy going on, but you know, still kind of a lot in. We're about to start planning a wedding, so yeah. You guys enjoyed this quick little update video, and thank you to all my new subscribers and everybody that has been commenting on my old content. I really appreciate that. Y'all really mess with that retail video. There's 6 tips on how to survive retail. Like, I did that video like 3 years ago, and I still get a lot of comments on that like weekly, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, shop my store, shopnotyouraverage.com. And oh yeah, and this hat is from my store too. So make sure you shop this hat and this t-shirt, and also the leggings that I'm wearing, but I don't feel like saying that up. But yeah, go and check all of that out there. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.